This is POTP PE 12032. 5 times, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is Theodore Roosevelt. Bottom is Andrew Johnson. That is 5 times. Get rid of it. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. Let's get presidential. Who? We'll do a competition. Someone needs to guess any president. Whoever guesses the correct president will win a prize. Harry's already gone in with Trump. Oh, something big. Oh boy. I don't know what the hell this is, but here we go. There's one in here, and then there's something in this. Oh, Lord. Here we go. Ooh. Obama! Has anybody said Obama yet? No. Who got Obama? That's from a card he signed. Obama, spot 31, Jordan Villa. What do we reckon is in this? I don't damage anything. What do we got? Dwight Eisenhower original cuts. 1 of 1, Dwight D. Eisenhower authentic signature. Let's get busy. Oh, that's awesome. That's really cool. Dwight D. Eisenhower, spot 5, Shane McGilvray. Congratulations. Wow. Man, that's a really, classy design. Take away, that is a very, very nice design. It looks cool. I'm not sure. I have no clue. I reckon that could be, I don't know how short print they are. I don't know how, maybe if it's 1 per, I know Jimmy Carter signs, for example. From an auction certificate. That's awesome.